Yo guys, what's going on? Today I'm bringing you guys the HOLYHigh Truly Wireless Earbud, or TWS-V8 earbuds. Whichever one you want to call them, I'm going to call them HOLYHigh because they're way more easier to say. Now, just to go on ahead and share some specification on these true wireless earbuds, these earbuds have Bluetooth 5.0. These earbuds also have 5 hours of battery in one single charge, and the case itself has around 10 hours of battery, so basically 15 hours of playtime. These earbuds have fast auto pairing, so basically as soon as you take the earbuds out of the case, they automatically turn on and start pairing. But you need to take out the right earbud first, wait a few seconds, then take out the left earbud, and then they're officially pairing. Because if you do not do that, if you wind up taking the left earbud off, it will go into mono mode. And speaking of mono mode, these earbuds have mono mode, so if you want to use one earbud, you can use it. It doesn't matter if it's the left or the right one. And of course, stereo mode, which means you can use both earbuds at the same time. These earbuds are lightweight and comfortable. They only weigh around 4 grams, so that way you won't have any wear fatigue, and they'll feel a lot more comfortable. These earbuds are IP65 waterproof and sweatproof. Now with this video I'm going to show you right now, it's definitely waterproof and definitely sweatproof. Now to get into this unboxing. The unboxing is short and sweet. The box, a trash manual, USB cable and silicone ear tips, and for the star of the show, the HOLYHigh Truly Wireless Earbuds. So now the body design for the case, it's basically a metal. It's a nice metal. When it gets really cold, the case gets cold, I'm sorry. But don't worry, the earbuds themselves, it won't be any problem. Now the case is not sturdy in the sense like if you keep it closed, it can open really quickly. Now I'm going to show you. You see how quickly that is to open it? The magnets for these that are holding the earbuds are also not that strong as well. And I'll show you. Came out really quickly. So don't try to be reckless with these because you may lose them or it just may open up and yeah, you're gonna lose them. Light indicators to show how much battery life you have left on the case. This is where you're gonna charge up the case. And now the earbuds themselves. As you can tell, they're very cute and small. You have clickable buttons, which they're really soft, so if you put them in your ears and if you guys like touch control, you won't have to worry about like really punching in your ears, you know, really much, you know what I'm saying? They're really soft, so you know the clicky is pretty well. Really small, as you can tell, left indicator and right indicator. So like I had said, take out the right earbud. So what I like to do is I like to take the right earbud and put it on this side. So that way I know, so you know when it's facing this way, I know that this is the right earbud, and of course, you know the left one facing this way is the the left side. So take out the right earbud first, wait a few seconds, then take out the second one, then you're gonna be in stereo mode. Guys, this is such a new generation where technology is so much cheaper and easier to make because these earbuds, for them being super cheap, they sound fantastic, and I cannot say that enough. They sound fantastic. Audio, general audio, they sound nice and well balanced. Like I said, if you want extreme quality, extreme crystal clear, sound in vocals and everything else, go on ahead and spend a pair of like 100 or 200 earbuds. But if you want to stick in the budget range and you want to be a little bit more smarter with your money, I totally recommend these guys, okay? The bass on these is super good. Now, one thing I could tell you is they are super loud. So I find I have to put them around 3 or 4 notches down, and I love loud music. But I have to put them 3 or 4 notches down because they get too loud, and the bass also is thumping. The bass is booming. So they can start to overpower the sound if you put them at a more higher volume. But if you keep it around, like I said, 2-3 notches down, you're going to be fine. And everything, overall quality is absolutely fine. Crystal clear, you won't have any problems. I do find that there is a little bit of a latency when I'm watching videos, at least like a half a second delay. But other than that, it's not really a problem. Now at this portion, I'm going to go on ahead and do a microphone test. Okay guys, right now I'm doing a microphone test for the Truly Wireless Earbuds, or the HOLYHigh. Right now there's a little bit of background noise. There's a fan oscillating. It's a pretty loud fan. Let me hear what you guys think about this. Listen guys, thank you so much for checking out my review on the HOLYHigh truly wireless earbuds. Please stick around because in the next 4 or 5 days I had purchased this 3-in-1 charging stand or charging pad for the iOS Apple only. So if you guys are interested, stick around for that. And guys, once again, I love each and every one of you guys. Please take care and be safe.